light shine so bright, you might go blind.
Shenna Talks, like and subscribe.
Enrique Hill update. Ito na nga ang first shooting nila na ginanap sa Taipei. Ito ay isang horror movie. At hindi talaga maiwasan ang dudumugan siya ng mga fans kahit mapa-abroad man. Ito ang maswerteng fans na nakikipag-selfie sa kanya.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Thank you for watching.